This is my second task, which is prediction using unsupervised machine learning. And in this task, we will find out the optimum number of clusters using k-means cluster. So moving forward, we will import our necessary libraries, which is NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, and Seaborn. Further, we will load our data, which is iris.csv, which is provided. Then we will see our data. For the we have written df.head, which shows the top 5 rows of our data. Further, it has 6 columns and 150 rows. Then further we will drop the id column from our data because the id column has no use in our modeling. df.tail shows the bottom 5 rows of the data set. This is information of our data. The column and its types. The further is a summary of the data: count, mean, standard. Further we will be checking whether our data set is having any null values or not, and there are no null values present in data, so we can continue. Now we will be using our LBO method to find out the optimum number of clusters. For this we will be using k-mean, and after that we will be plotting our graph. Through this graph we can see that the line which comes from above is having a trend and it declines from number 3. So we can say that we are having 3 number of clusters. Now further applying k-means to our model, we can see the number of the data which are in different clusters: cluster 1, 2, and 0, as per the nearness with the centroids. Now in this we have added the cluster column in our data. Now further we will be visualizing our clusters, and for that we will be plotting the first 2 columns. You can see the green dots with the iris versicolor, and the black one is their centroid. The blue one is the iris virginica, and the center black one is the centroid of that, and the last one the iris setosa with their centroid. Further is the visualization of the second and the third column. Here you can see the centroid of all the 3 species. Now here is the data with the cluster column. We can see the first row is in the cluster 1, then this one is in the 0 cluster, then this one is in the second cluster. So likely every number has been divided. Now further we can check by putting the values, and we can see that our value has predicted, our model has predicted very accurately, which is this one. Thank you for watching.